Some reflections. Sneak meek. Got my boy Lily back here. My king. Say what's up, king.
What's up?
So, here's a little view of where we live at while we're in Babylon. We're locally in Kentucky. It's pretty nice. That's little sister right there. Anyway, it's pretty nice. Let me get y'all an up close view. And when the sun sets, I had just like have to show you guys because it's so freaking beautiful out here. I mean, this is just the park that we go to. It's down the street from where we live at. Then we got our whole hideaway. Really just our nature spot, our chill spot is back there. That we're finna show y'all too. We've shown it to y'all before, but you know, we're back again because it's one of our favorite places to be. I thought my phone was falling, but yeah, we'll be back. Close and personal. I love it. Little deers be out here, foxes, all types of little animals be out here. So cute. My favorite is to see Bambi jump across. So freaking cute.
So this is the spot. All this green. Alright, we're gonna take y'all. Welcome to my crib. MTV Nature Baby Cribs. We're gonna show y'all our second spot where y'all can see the field and stuff. Greens and browns. Don't we blend in? Look at us. Blend right in.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we finna go in. Let me switch the camera. Alright, boom.
Follow the leader.
This is the entrance. As you can see, it looks better with the eyes for some reason. But y'all getting a glimpse of it. Then you go through this way. Go through this way. Keep walking on the path of the righteousness. And then we're gonna go which way? This way? Or we're gonna go this way?
Right.
This way or this? Okay, we're going this way. Boom, 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 boom. Step over this thing. Step over that. Alright. Now we in here. Grounding. So, you know.
And then my guy over here discovered some undiscovered territory that we showed y'all in our other video.
Dun dun dun.
We're in here.
Okay.
So soft and squishy. I love it.
Gotta get used to this though.
I love mud. I always love mud.
Something new for me. But hey. So this is where we're gonna be going up at. I wish you can zoom in on this thing.
Oh, you can.
Oh!
You actually can.
Oh!
And how the sunlight's peeking through.
So you hear the birds chirping and talking. I want to be able to. Yeah. Alright, you gonna go up this thing. Oh! Oh!
It's like the
Oh! Oh! I think we showed y'all this spot last time.
Yeah, we showed them.
But we ain't show y'all how to get in this thing.
Yeah, this is how you get up here, baby. Yeah, lightning bugs out here already. Local dogs barking.
I don't know what that was.
It was a
Something wrong with
doggy.
him. No, I'm playing. But
The whole 9 yards out here.
Ah, this tree's beautiful. Watch this. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite tree. You know, we're just so blessed and thankful that we're in Kentucky with a lot of nature to connect back to. At first, I was in Jacksonville, Florida. It was pretty cool, but I really didn't. It was a beach and all, but I really didn't appreciate it. Then I came back here. I was like, dang, why I come back to Bourne, Kentucky? Well, it's pretty adventurous. At the same time, got to connect back with nature. And this is the trampoline.
Trampoline. We showed y'all once before.
Oh yeah,
It's really fun though.
look at that.
Got the bounce and everything. Like what? We don't need no man-made trampoline out here. Do the thing. As long as I don't fall.
I thought this extended longer than this.
No. Yeah, I can do the bird call. What's up?
All right, that's the crib. And we got some other spots that I ain't even check out yet. So let's check out. Why not?
What'd you say?
Check out. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, my eye be looking
Low.
on camera. No.
It's okay.
What's wrong with it?
Still beautiful.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. Oh, yes. Known fact. It is also very much
What
cooler
this button
in
do?
here than it is out there. And currently it's like, I want to say 80, 90 degrees. I don't know for sure, but yeah. It doesn't get really hot here, but it does get super
Shit, it
humid.
do get hot.
Well,
It be hot
mm,
to me.
sometimes.
It be in the 90s, but the 90s be like
Yeah, because it be so freaking humid.
ain't no sea breeze. It's just straight heat.
Heat. Ain't no.
So that's hot.
It's
Look at these vines and stuff.
like, bro. That's nature's swing right there. We don't need the playground. We got our own playground.
We'll go get up there and swing off there.
How you get up there?
I don't know. Go try it.
We swung on one before, but this duty broke it.
Dang.
That sucks.
All right, y'all. We just showing the crib. You know what I'm saying? The second crib. So beautiful.
These facts.
Look at the locks. So beautiful. Look at the locks. So beautiful. Oh, the grand locks. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Let them down. Let them down. Let them down. Let them show them what you're working with. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look what we're working with. Natural. Natural.
You better love it.
No weaves, no makeup.
Nothing. Just me.
I wish y'all would stop wearing weave and just let your natural beauty out.
Like
I'm
I'm
gonna
telling
keep
you.
on saying it. Y'all so beautiful with y'all natural hair. Guys too, stop cutting that shit off.
Like, for real.
For what, man?
I've been there and I've done that. Like, I can tell y'all all about it. That's been
They
me
know
before.
all about it.
Y'all,
They know it don't feel right.
but you know, everybody's gonna learn eventually. But we're just here to tell y'all that you need to embrace your beauty. Like, if you got natural hair, treat it right. Like, don't be putting perms and relaxers and all this extensive amounts of heat and weave, all this stuff. Like, oh, it's
You tearing your
good for
melanin up
you.
in your hair, like
It makes your hair grow.
no.
It's a protective style. All of that there. No.
This is a protective style. Your melanin protects your hair, and
So,
your
yeah.
your melanin in your hair. That's why it's black.
I
That's
went
why it's
locks
brown.
on y'all. You know, I used to be the whole natural poof, you know. I love my natural poof though, but you know, sometimes I might slip up and then, oh, let me get these braids or let me get this. But you know, My hair is
No.
beautiful.
No.
Hair is
No. None of that.
Really.
Hey.
It's facts. No makeup.
All right, y'all.
No
Y'all got anything else to
filter.
say? Lonnie?
I love you guys.
All right. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.
Love you. Peace.
Peace.